Cześć, cześć. This is a short introduction to our VIP Polish course this week. This week, you will learn how to talk about parties, how to invite somebody to a party, to a ball. Check the description below for translation and the link to join the VIP course this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Idziemy na bal. Idziemy na bal. We're going to the ball. Gdzie jest bal? Gdzie jest bal? Where is the ball? Bal jest w Lęborku. A kiedy następny bal? Kiedy następny bal? When is the next ball? Następny bal jest za rok. Za rok. Next year. Będzie super. It will be great. Będzie fajnie. It will be fun. Idziesz? Are you going? Idziesz na bal? So, I hope to see you this Monday at 7 p.m. or Tuesday at 7 p.m. or Wednesday at 7 p.m. in our VIP live lesson. First part is a live lesson. Second part is a speaking practice for volunteers. If you missed the live lesson, you can always watch it later. You can watch the recorded version later. Dziękuję bardzo i do zobaczenia. Thank you and see you later.